because
That'd be good.
we are not trying to sell you anything except fun.
Hi everyone, Happy New Year. It's me, Miss Kate, and
Miss Hazel. Happy New Year, everyone.
we're very excited to come and see you on this very first day of 2025. So, Miss Hazel, I was thinking that maybe we could use this board as, what do we want to see for Alameda Arts for the year?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I like that idea.
Okay.
Now, we're not going to really
box of
make anything today. We're just going to share our feelings, and maybe you could share with your family, like, what are your expectations for 2025? What are your dreams, your hopes? We thought we would do that.
pens. Yeah,
Kind of
a
fun.
vision board,
Yeah.
a vision paper, because not a board.
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Do you want me
Should
to
we
write
just-
Alameda Arts in the middle?
Yeah, why don't
Okay.
you do that, and we'll
That'll be
just
our
start.
center of the whole thing?
Yeah, we'll just start talking about sort of things that we. Oh, I like the color choice. That was really nice. Miss Kate's using her nice font. Alameda Arts. When we started Alameda Arts 13 years ago, we were both doing different jobs, and we didn't get to see. I'm gonna cry. We didn't get to see our kids. And so we did this crazy thing, like, what if you had an absolutely crazy idea and it worked? And so now here we are, figuring in what comes next.
Yeah.
Kind of exciting. Oh, I like that, Miss Kate.
So I
So
wanted to make sure it was the center.
I think that everybody needs to know that this is one of our most important and fundamental things.
Oh, fundamental. That was a good
Yeah.
word to use.
If it's not fun, I don't want to do it, Miss Kate.
That's what I always say to the kids.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else?
Yeah. What do we want? Oh, we've been working on a book that
Okay,
for
finished book?
years and years. Finish our book.
It keeps getting put on the back burner. So if we have it on here,
It's kind of like half written.
yeah, but this would make us actually go and complete it.
And what's it going to be about? Because we have to nail that down. We have a lot of ideas
We're
for
kind of
this
all over the
book.
board, which is why we never finish it. Plus, we just get sidetracked by other things.
Check this out.
Oh, there you go.
Yay!
Okay.
Book.
Finished book.
Okay.
Okay, now what else? Not finished. We could speak at some more conferences.
Yes, we do like
Okay,
to
can
do
I have a
that.
different color pen?
Yes, you should have a different look at it. We started this branch of our business called Create Like a Kid, where we do art with grown-ups to get in touch with what it's like to make art. And I know a lot of people when they were little felt like they weren't good artists. Like for me, I can't really draw things very nicely. I can draw sort of simple things, but I can craft just about anything I want to do. Yeah, start developing our develop a plan
Yes, because we had been working on that.
to use Create Like a Kid more. Create
Yes.
like like a kid. And look at this, we actually have this about it.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, so
Okay,
it's-
what else do we want to do?
I want to travel around and talk to people about art.
Okay, travel.
I want to meet somebody that I really like whose name is Jimmy Fallon and do art with him, because I just think he leads with joy and happiness, and I feel like he would be a really fun person to do art with.
He would be. And then,
Yeah.
when did you get to see him and get this idea?
Oh my gosh, yes. I saw him once when I was in the Macy's parade dressed as a tree. He and Questlove were in one of those golf carts, and they drove by the Christmas trees and said hi to us. And it was so exciting. And so, yes, I want to do art with Jimmy Fallon.
What color is Jimmy? Is
What
he an
color
orange
does Jimmy say?
person?
Like golden. He's kind of pizzazzy.
He is kind of pizzazzy, but I don't know if we do have this metallic pen to see if it works.
Yeah,
Because our other goal is make sure we always have good pens here. Oh yeah, that was
There he
good.
is, Jimmy.
Jimmy Fallon.
Yeah. Misspell it correctly. Fallon. Meet Jimmy Fallon and do art with him. That would be
Okay.
like the greatest thing. Miss Kate,
What
what
else?
do you want to do?
Well, I added to this, speak about art and, slash creativity.
Yeah.
What if we, it's going to be completely silly, what if we added more glitter to everything we do?
Oh, yeah.
We can't really.
I think you need to write glitter on there just because glitter is sort of the foundation. It is becoming the foundation of your art projects.
I know, but that's so wrong.
Oh,
Glitterize.
right over to Jimmy Fallon. I know what else we want to do.
forget this.
Right now we're in 4 schools. We'd like to
Oh, yeah.
try to spread our joy to some more schools.
Spread our joy
to more
you really
schools.
Can't read
Yeah, that
I'm
is
gonna
not
get
good.
a better pen.
We
Oh,
want to
I
grow.
did find a gold one.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if it writes. Oh yeah.
Spread the good news about Alameda Arts. Yeah, we'd like 2 more schools.
Yeah.
We have a friend, her name is Kathleen Siebold, and she's helped us get started with this business, and she is really a great idea person, and I think that we're going to develop something really fun with Kathleen.
Yeah.
Yeah, Partner with Kathleen is going to be on here. Dr. Kathleen.
Oh, yes, Dr. Kathleen Siebold.
Partner
more with her.
More with Dr. Kathleen Siebold.
Okay, what else?
Anything else?
Anything else? Yeah, I just think have more fun. Have fun every day.
Oh, fun, fun, fun. Let's just write fun all over in lots of different colors. Fun, fun, fun.
And you should practice different fonts with it too.
Oh, yeah. Fun.
Okay.
I know what else.
What?
A lot more followers on YouTube.
That'd be good.
We are not trying to sell you anything except fun. We are not trying to get you to do anything. We try to recycle things. We're pretty, nice.
Okay.
It's nice to be nice. I think that we've covered it. What do you think? Anything else? It's nice to be nice. My dad always said that. He was a nice man. Yeah.
Apostrophe there. Oh, yeah, YouTube.
YouTube. Also, recently someone told Kate she was Insta famous, which made us really laugh. We are famous in Alameda in a very select group of kids that are between 5 to 10.
Yeah.
And they'll say, I saw the video with you in it. And
Look at all this. This is kind of a lot of stuff to work on.
All right.
It's going to get us going. So happy New Year, everyone. Hope that you think about things that you want to do this year and bring more joy and fun into your lives. And we'll see you soon.
Thank you all so very much. We really appreciate you in our lives. So thanks for coming and hanging out with us.
We'll see you soon.
Happy New Year.